From a world-famous fault stretching across California and an ancient lake formed by 30 million years of evolution, to a subduction zone in the Pacific Northwest that could change the coast forever, and a 3,000-mile crack in Africa that's believed to be the birthplace of humanity. Here are 10 of the biggest earthquake cracks and faults around the world. Some call it the birthplace of humanity. Others believe it's among the most historically significant geographic regions in the world. The technical term is the Great Rift Valley. It stretches roughly 4,800 kilometers, or about 3,000 miles, from the Jordan Valley in the Middle East to the Republic of Mozambique in southeastern Africa. And since the early 20th century, it's led to dozens of crucial archaeological discoveries that have shed even more light on the roots of humankind. So, how does a 3,000-mile crack in the ground form? It began between 20 and 30 million years ago, when the African and Arabian tectonic plates decided they didn't like each other anymore. They began drifting apart, creating a massive crack in the Earth's top layer. It's basically the opposite of how mountains form. Instead of coming together and driving the ground upward, the plates split, causing the ground to sink. Now don't think for a second that the Rift Valley is just a barren crack in the ground. It's actually home to several unique biomes, from grasslands and lakes to arid deserts and lush forests. These biomes are likely why the Rift Valley has become a hotspot for ancient human fossils. For example, Lucy, who lived roughly 3.2 million years ago, helped reshape our understanding of early human evolution and migration. Her skeleton, or at least 40% of it, was uncovered in 1974 by anthropologists in the Great Rift Valley, specifically the East African Rift in Ethiopia. Scientists also believe that fluctuations in the Great Rift Valley's climate may have helped early humans develop larger, more complex brains. This was likely due to the ebb and flow of rainfall in the valley. Periods of heavy rain led to thick vegetation, while extended droughts dried everything up. Early humans would have been forced to adapt to survive, thus forcing innovations in diet, technology, and culture. As a result, our brains got bigger, and it was all thanks to a 3,000-mile crack in the ground. Now, if plates crashing into each other create mountains, while plates moving away from each other make valleys, what happens when two tectonic plates rub against each other? The answer is earthquakes. Big earthquakes, like the kind seen along the East Anatolian Fault, a 434-mile crack in the earth in eastern Turkey.